Joaquín Agrasot y Juan was born December 24, 1836, died January 8, 1919, was a Spanish painter of the realistic style who produced many works in the Costumbrismo genre. He then enrolled at the Real Academia de Bellas Artes de San Carlos de Valencia, where he studied with the art restorer Francisco Martínez Yago, the father of Salvador Martínez Cubells. In 1860, he had his first showing at an agricultural fair in Alicante, where he was awarded a gold medal. The following year, he received a medal at the Centennial Exposition in Philadelphia. Later, he became a member of both the Real Academia de Bellas Artes de San Fernando and his alma mater, San Carlos. He often served as a jury member for the Academies exhibitions.